Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing an unboxing. So today we are going to be unboxing my skincare fridge. So, like I said, today we're going to be unboxing my skincare fridge. I went on Amazon and pulled the trigger and decided to get me a skincare fridge. So today I'm going to be showing you guys the Cooluli skincare fridge. I'm pretty sure that's how you pronounce it. So let's get to opening it. Alright, so let's get to opening this box. Okay. No, stuck back in. Oh my god. You know what? I'm gonna turn this upside down. Alright. So here it is. This is the skincare fridge. Alright, so we're gonna open this pupperoo up. Alright, so let's get to open this puppy. Ooh. So guys, I decided on the 10 liter because I am that typical lazy girl. Why go downstairs and get your water when you can have it right beside your bed? So, yeah. Lazy girl style. Comment below if you are also lazy like me and literally thinking of moving out of your bedroom is too much work to drink water. Because I have literally laid down in my bed and like I'm dying of thirst. And I literally won't go downstairs to get some water because my lazy ass is just like, that's too much work. I'm just gonna suffer. I was trying to pull that out, but that didn't work. Okay. Here it is, guys. Let me get it closer to you guys so you can see it. It's pretty big. Wow, bigger than I expected. So I decided to go on this aqua turquoise color because my favorite color is purple, but they didn't have purple. So we went with my second favorite color. Alright, so how do you open this? Okay. Oh. Oh, that's pretty big. So my water's gonna go here. Ooh. Instructions. I typically don't read instructions when I buy things. I know, not advised, but again, the struggles of laziness. Okay, we're just gonna figure this out along the way. All right, so we have two cables. Okay. Let me pull it out so I can explain more. So we have two cables. I'm going to guess this is for the car. Even though my brain is like, why the hell would you put this in your car? why would you put this in your car? But then again, come to think of us girls, let's be honest, we do our makeup in the car. So why not have a skincare fridge in the car, I guess? Alright, well, I'm not going to need this, so I'm going to put that in the box. Alright. So. You know, when you're done unboxing, you're gonna have a big cleanup. Alright, so close this for now and turn it around. So, alright. Plug that in. I don't think it's on. Pretty sure it's not on. Hold on. Hold maybe? AC. AC. Well, the light's on. Alright, let's turn this around. Two of this video is I'm going to put all my products in it. And we're going to start on some skincare. So let's get on ready. Alright guys, I'm back and I'm here to show you my fridge completely stocked. So here we go. Ta-da! Let me bring you guys closer. So I'm going to show you what's in here. Top row is moisturizers. The next row I have exfoliants and serums, and my last row is my 2 cleansers and my oils. So that's what we have in here. I will be adding my water probably later once I finish. And so let's get on with the skincare for tonight. Alright, ready, set, go. Alright guys, time to take care of the skin. Alright, so we're going to start with my cleanser. Oreo, my cleanser. Gonna put some water on my face. Alrighty. So on weekends, I like to double cleanse this face. So step 2 is my cleansing number 2, a more specific enzyme peel. I love the smell of this. Totally recommend, and leaves your face feeling phenomenal. It's really similar to the Tatcha enzyme. It's powder, you pour it into your hand, and you put some water in it, and then it becomes all white. And then you pass it over your face, and that's it. So. Smush it together and go. Wait for it to dissolve. And you go from white to looking like you have nothing on your face. Then you rinse off. Next up, guys, we have the Herbivore Blue Tansy Mask. So I'm gonna put this on, and then it's time for moisturizing. Alright guys, so we're at the final steps of skincare, which is oils and moisturizer. So for tonight, I'm going to be using Drunk Elephant Lala Letro, the Drunk Elephant Marula oil. And it's so nice because they're cold from the fridge. So start this. I love how this is where you just go boop and there's the product. One pump. I like to put it in, ooh, it's cool. Different section of my face. And mix it all in. Well, so refreshing. So refreshing because it's cool. And like it just makes your face feel like different. Alright. Close that up. And then the marula oil. Just get there. And pass it on my face. Alright guys, so quick change into my PJs. Alright guys, that's the end of today's video. Currently in my TJ Maxx PJs. I hope you enjoyed. And if you need a skincare fridge, definitely check out the Cooluli. Thanks for hanging out with me guys. See you next week. Bye.